If you're looking to spruce up your home for the holiday season, there's no better place to start than your Christmas mantel and fireplace. These areas are often the focal points of a room and offer endless opportunities for creative and festive decorations. In this video, I'm going to share a treasure trove of Christmas mantel and fireplace decor ideas, along with tips and the latest trends to help you transform your space into a winter wonderland. Before we dive into the decor ideas, let's talk about the importance of a well-decorated mantel and fireplace during the holiday season. These areas are where families gather to exchange gifts, where stockings are hung in anticipation of surprises, and where the warm glow of a crackling fire sets the perfect ambience for holiday cheer. One of the timeless Christmas decor themes is the classic combination of red and green. You can never go wrong with this traditional color scheme. Adorn your mantel with garlands of faux pine, red bows, and greenery. Hang stockings by the chimney with care and consider adding red or green candles for an extra touch of festive charm. The rustic farmhouse decor style has gained popularity in recent years, and it's perfect for a cozy, country Christmas. Use reclaimed wood, burlap, and galvanized metal accents. Add some mason jar candle holders and a wooden sign with a heartfelt holiday message to complete the look. Transform your mantel and fireplace into a winter wonderland with a palette of white, silver, and blue. Fake snow, glittery ornaments, and icicle garlands can create the illusion of a frosty landscape. Add a few plush white stockings and some silver reindeer figurines for a touch of elegance. If you're lucky enough to celebrate Christmas by the sea, embrace a coastal theme. Decorate with seashells, starfish, and nautical elements. Use a color scheme of sea blues and sandy neutrals. Hang beach-themed stockings and a driftwood wreath for that oceanic touch. Scandinavian decor is all about minimalism and simplicity. Go for a clean and serene look with lots of white, natural wood, and touches of greenery. Opt for simple reeds, birchwood candle holders, and simple, clean-lined stockings. It's a serene and calming holiday look. Give your mantel a blast from the past with vintage Christmas decor. Hunt for antique ornaments, old-fashioned toys, and retro holiday cards. Incorporate a few vintage holiday signs, and you'll have a mantel that takes you back in time. For an opulent and glamorous Christmas decor, go for gold and silver. Deck out your mantel with metallic ornaments, glittering candles, and shiny tinsel. Add some gold or silver stockings for that extra touch of luxury. Bring a dose of whimsy to your holiday decor with a colorful and playful theme. Use a vibrant color palette, like red, green, and turquoise. Hang oversized ornaments, quirky holiday characters, and multicolored lights for a joyful and fun mantel. Bring the outdoors in with a nature-inspired Christmas decor theme. Use pine cones, twigs, and evergreen branches to create a rustic and woodsy vibe. Add woodland creature ornaments and earthy colors for a cozy and natural look. Add a personal touch to your mantel and fireplace decor by incorporating family photos, custom stockings, and handmade ornaments. It's a heartwarming way to celebrate the holidays with your unique touch. Now that you have some fantastic decor ideas, let's talk about some tips to make your Christmas mantel and fireplace truly stunning. Ensure a sense of balance and symmetry in your decor. Place larger items in the center and work outward with smaller items. Symmetry can create a harmonious and visually appealing arrangement. Create depth and interest by layering different elements. Place garlands in front of the mantel, add candles at varying heights, and don't forget to hang stockings at different lengths for a dynamic look. Lighting can make or break your holiday decor. Consider adding twinkle lights, battery-operated candles, or LED string lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Embrace your creativity and make some DIY decor items. Create your own wreaths, personalized stockings, or custom signs to add a unique touch to your mantel. While it's tempting to go all out with decorations, be mindful not to overcrowd your mantel and fireplace. Leave some breathing space so that each item can shine. Now, let's talk about the latest trends in Christmas mantel and fireplace decor for this year. Eco-friendly decor is gaining momentum. Consider using natural materials like wooden ornaments, recycled paper garlands, and LED lights to reduce your environmental impact. Minimalism isn't just for Scandinavian decor. Many are embracing a less is more approach with clean lines and simple, high-quality decorations. The love for vintage decor continues to grow. Incorporate antique finds and retro-inspired decor pieces to evoke nostalgia and charm. Choose a single color and stick with it for a chic monochromatic theme. It creates a cohesive and visually striking look. Look for decor items that can serve multiple purposes, like ornaments that double as candle holders or wreaths that can be used year-round with a few modifications. Fresh or faux greenery like pine branches, cedar, or eucalyptus can add a lovely touch to your mantel and fireplace. You can create wreaths, garlands, or simply arrange branches in vases or pots for a natural, fragrant ambience. Personalizing stockings with each family member's name adds a special touch. You can use embroidery, iron-on transfers, or even write names in calligraphy for an elegant look. Make your candle holders to match your decor theme. Wrap glass containers in burlap, twine, or lace, and secure them with glue for a customized and charming candle display. Keep your decor cohesive by choosing a color scheme and sticking to it throughout your mantel and fireplace decor. This can include matching ornaments, stockings, ribbons, and even the wrapping paper for gifts. Combining different textures adds depth and interest to your decor. For example, mix smooth, shiny ornaments with rough burlap bows and fluffy faux fur stockings for a visually appealing contrast. Replace existing artwork or photos on the mantel with festive prints or quotes in coordinating frames. This is an easy way to change the entire look of your mantel without much effort. Hanging a decorative mirror above the fireplace can make your space look larger and reflect the holiday lights and decorations, creating a magical effect. If you have built-in shelving or alcoves beside your fireplace, don't forget to decorate these spaces too. They can serve as extra display areas for ornaments, figurines, or candles. Vintage ornaments are not only charming but also eco-friendly. You can find unique pieces at thrift stores or antique shops to add character and history to your decor. Choose one statement piece to serve as the focal point of your mantel. This could be a large wreath, an oversized ornament, or a beautifully framed piece of holiday art. Create personalized stockings using fabric of your choice, iron-on transfers, and decorative embellishments. Sew or glue them together for a special touch. Craft your own wreaths using wire frames and natural materials like pine cones, twigs, or dried citrus slices. You can also customize with ribbons and ornaments. Fill mason jars with Epsom salt for a snowy effect. Place battery-operated tea lights inside and line them along your mantel or fireplace for a cozy glow. Paint or stencil holiday messages or quotes on wooden boards. You can distress them for a rustic look or apply metallic paint for a touch of elegance. Collect pine cones, paint their tips with white paint to mimic snow, and string them together to create a charming garland. Hang it along your mantel or fireplace for a natural, rustic feel. Attach clothespins to a wreath frame and use it to display holiday cards you receive from friends and family. It's both decorative and functional. Assemble wooden pallet boards into a tree shape and decorate it with lights, ornaments, and a tree topper. It's a unique and eco-friendly alternative to a traditional Christmas tree.